Hi, I'm Chris Cowher from Patriot Community Bank, and this week we're going to talk about some of the financing options and what's available for homes that are older. Uh, Generally, in the mortgage industry, when you have a home that's, say, 75 years, 100 years or older, the same mortgage programs are available to them as any home that's new or just been built recently. So whether it be a 30-year fixed rate mortgage, one of the adjustable rate mortgages, whether it be a 3, 5, or 7 year, all of the same products are available. We really don't look at the age of the house as part of the equation as whether you qualify for the mortgage or not. A couple of things that we do look for though with homes in that category are when appraisal is done. Sometimes there's a little bit more difficulty in getting comparable size homes that are similar in size. You may have a Victorian house that's 125 years old. And again, we don't necessarily have to count that to other 125-year-old Victorian homes, but we do need to comp it to homes that are similar size and similar conditions. So the appraiser has to do a little bit of extra work on those type of homes. But as far as financing goes, generally the same programs apply. There's no special conditions based upon the age of the home, whether the home is brand new or the home is 150 years old. Again, the same products apply. Interest rates right now are still very good. The fixed rates are right around 4 or high 3s. The adjustable rate mortgages, here we are, going into the fall of 2014, are still historically low. The adjustables are in the low 3s and high 2s right now. I did want to mention something about insurance on some of these older homes. Now, as far as insurance goes, it's a little bit more difficult. There are many insurance companies will not insure a home that is 100 years old or more. They have a cutoff there, but there's plenty that do. So let's say you're looking at 20 different insurance companies. I would say 12 of them will still do homes that are 100 years old, but 8 of them might not. So you may have to shop a little bit more for home insurance on homes that are 100 years old or more. So check around on that and keep that in mind. Another thing to be concerned about is some of the older conditions of these homes. They may have tube and knob wiring. They may have some older plumbing and things like that. As far as the process goes, as long as it's functional and it still meets the code and it's okay with the town, generally the banks are okay with it and the insurance companies are okay with it. Many of them do want you to update those things though too upon property transfer. So again, want to keep it in mind. Most people that buy a house like that and know that it needs updating, they'll go ahead and do that. So as far as insurance goes and things like that, again, just might have to work a little bit harder to make sure you get a good insurance program and are aware of some of the renovations. Another thing to keep in mind is that many lenders do offer renovation loans. Patriot Community Bank, for example, we do have a renovation program where we'll finance in the renovations of a home like that as part of the purchase price. Generally, during the construction phase or the renovation phase, we only bill you interest only on that until the house is fully done, and then it converts into a full-time permanent mortgage. So again, feel free to contact me if you want any more information or details on those programs, but they're kind of widely available so that again, as far as the age of the house goes, there's plenty of different options that you can have in financing and buying a home like that. So thanks a lot, appreciate it, and I'll see you next month.